IT systems are shifting from the cloud to the edge because of issues like delays, limited data capacity, and concerns about the independence of IT workloads. Your company requires a dedicated IT infrastructure that is affordable, highly customized, and close to users. Designed to revolutionize the way we handle IT systems and data, PowerWalker MDC is your all-in-one solution. It brings together essential elements like UPS, PDU, cooling, monitoring, system connection, and remote management into one sealed cabinet, allowing you to manage data with a powerful system. But what sets it apart from others is not just this. PowerWalker MDC is custom-built to meet customers' exact specifications, ensuring a perfect fit. With extensive pre-installation done at the factory, final installation becomes easier and quicker. PowerWalker MDC is eco-friendly and cost-effective. Our in-rack cooling system acts as a personal AC for each server, reducing overall costs. With an energy-smart PUE as low as 1.35, it's a game-changer for saving on electricity bills. PowerWalker MDC ensures reliability by effectively maintaining a dry environment even under low loads. And safety is our priority. Its centralized monitoring system acts like a watchtower overseeing everything. With the user-friendly dashboard, you can manage all operations on-site or remotely. PowerWalker MDC targets various application scenarios, like financial institutes, branches and business locations, medical, education institutes, small factories, and more. Let's revolutionize your business operations, stepping into the future with PowerWalker MDC.